Shug, this is your favorite bald-headed Esty Taj Mahaly, and this is a place for beauty bosses and skin enthusiasts. And I am sharing my favorite products for hyperpigmentation today to you. The most common skin concern that we treat here in Mahaly Spa is hyperpigmentation, usually post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from acne marks that have came and then they have left, honey. So now we are left behind with the reminder of, oh yeah, I had a breakout here. So today I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite products for tapping away at hyperpigmentation and dark marks, preventing hyperpigmentation and dark marks, as well as just my overall favorite skincare products at the moment. Now, I did have a few of them. I left a couple at home by accident. But it's fine, honey, because guess what? We're gonna keep on moving. We're gonna keep on vibing. I'm gonna show you these products. Nothing is gonna stop me from getting this video to you guys. Alright, let's get started. Number one, I've been having a new favorite skincare combo. You guys, I randomly discovered this when I was on vacation a few weeks ago. I went to Puerto Rico and I had accidentally packed my FENTY night cream and my SUPERGOOP unseen screen. And I usually just bring the FENTY Hydrovisor because it's amazing, it's wonderful, it gets the job done. Moisturizer, SPF, less things to pack. Clearly I lost my mind when I was packing my things, and so I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and try that moisturizer and pair it with the unseen screen. And you guys, when I tell you my skin felt like butter, it felt like margarine, baby. It was giving super duper blurred glazed donut vibes, and I was really happy with it, especially when I used it underneath my makeup for even makeup application. And you know it's super hot in Puerto Rico, and I still didn't feel like I was a grease slick with it. Now, I will say at the time I forgot to bring my setting powder. So I was a little bit shinier than I want to be, but I wasn't a grease slick. So those two are awesome, amazing. Now you're probably wondering like, okay Taj, but why? So sunscreen is amazing for helping to prevent post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or dark marks from getting darker progressively. By blocking out those UVA and UVB rays, this is gonna make sure that any progress that you are taking towards it by using any kind of actives, you are protecting that overactive melanin in those areas to make sure that they don't get darker. So if anyone has never told you before, sunscreen is the #1 product to help you progressing forward with your dark marks. Second thing is active. Sunscreen is like your insurance on your skincare. So important. So this FENTY night cream, these two together are like chef's kiss. Like, where has she been my whole life? I miss her. Why are we just not connecting? I feel like I found my soulmate. Period. Number two, my second favorite product for treating hyperpigmentation and dark marks is the Good Molecules Pineapple Enzyme Powder. You guys, like, I would drop this if this wasn't glass, like it's a mic drop, okay? So, you guys know, and if you are new here, now you'll know, I love enzymes. Enzymes are amazing because I believe that they range from different ones, from extremely light ones to deeper ones that can cause peeling. But what they are is they are an exfoliant. So they act like little Pac-Man. They eat away at the top layer of dead skin quite lightly. And of course, it has the bromelain enzyme, which is amazing for buffing away at the stratum corneum, which is the uppermost top layer of skin. And that produces extremely bright, vibrant, radiant skin. Like, my thing is, I love this of course for treating my hyperpigmentation, but overall it really helps to buff out the area and give you a really nice warm glow. Like, you look like you're glowing from the inside out. It also has vitamin C, which has some antioxidant properties, helping to fight free radical damage, which are these little guys, environmental factors that eat away at our elastin and all the hydration and all the good stuff, you know, that keeps us looking toit, right, and together. And this is also just excellent as an antioxidant slash hyperpigmentation slash exfoliation product. What I also love about this is that this is a powder, right? And when you put the powder on, it turns into a frothy, you know, at first you're thinking like, oh, this is a scrub, right? Like, Taj said don't do scrubs on my face. So what I love about it is you put just a couple drops of water in it, you agitate it, and it turns into this frothy foam, luxurious situation, and I am 1000% sold, 1000% in love. We actually started selling Good Molecules here at the spa. I'm gonna start placing it on the website on mahaly-spa.com if you're interested in purchasing this. But you guys, this is my favorite. This is my new favorite. Like, I think this is one of the coolest products on the market right now. I am sold for sure. Number 3 is the Niacinamide by the INKEY list. Woo! Okay, let's talk about her. This has been my ride or die. She's been my down ass chick for quite a while now. Like, she's been writing. Niacinamide has been my new favorite product since the beginning of 2020, or my new favorite ingredient rather for products since early 2020. And I really love the formulation that the INKEY list has because I noticed that that one doesn't make my skin burn. A lot of people who use niacinamide have complained about it burning, especially if you've been using the ordinary, the 10% and the 15% niacinamide and zinc concentrate formula. I do not like that formula. I've heard of several other estheticians who said they have not liked that formula, and every single client that I tried to refer them to a new niacinamide serum, they're like, oh, I already have the INKEY list. And they're like, and I don't really know if I like niacinamide. And I'm like, okay, but girl, that's because that formulation is basura, okay? It's trash. It's not very good. I'm not saying that everything that the INKEY list is trash, and if you want me to get into that, we can. Trust me, we can do the ordinary video. I know you guys are interested because I have thoughts, opinions, facts. But until then, I want you guys to know that this niacinamide serum is amazing because it has a 1% hyaluronic acid. It has 1% hyaluronic acid in the formulation, so it's going to help with soothing and hydrating the skin. But their niacinamide doesn't tend to irritate, and I believe that their niacinamide percentage is hanging around 10% as well. I think what might make that product sting a little bit more is the zinc added in. I'm not quite sure, don't quote me on that. However, the niacinamide is excellent for helping to keep your oil glands at bay, making sure your oil production is quite balanced, so then you don't run the risk of having some inflammatory acne or inflammation that leads to acne, and then we have a post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation mark that we have to treat afterwards. You see where I'm getting there? Preventative care. And if you see that, yes, we can use things to correct it, but I am more of a preventative person, a proactive treater rather than a reactive treater, because it's so much easier that way. So niacinamide helps keep my oil balance at bay because I can be quite a grease slick at times, and therefore we don't have to worry about those breakouts, or it can kind of keep my breakouts in check. So while I am currently still healing my previous post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation dark marks, because I do have a couple. I have a little bit of makeup on today, but I do have a couple around my jawline, which we can talk about jawline breakouts as well. Not a problem. But those are my favorite things. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see some of my favorite niacinamide products ever, because I have quite a few that I am just like, ooh, yes, they did that. They put their foot in this ingredient list, okay? But you guys, that's exactly what I want to say. Love niacinamide. Excellent for people who are currently pretty sensitive to other actives like salicylic or glycolic, which I completely understand. Niacinamide is an excellent compromising ingredient. That being said, let's move on. Number 4, Skinscript Beta-Carotene Papain Serum. Okay, you guys, if you don't know, now you will know. This is a dream team in a bottle, okay? So I got one off the shelf because I left mine in the bag at home. But this is going to be your exfoliating as well as brightening treatment all in one while repairing your barrier. That is unheard of, you guys. Barrier repair and active ingredients don't usually sit in the same space together. So I love what Skinscript did with this. So let me tell you exactly what is going on here. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that is from that's derived from the orange pigments in a lot of fruits and veggies. Think carrots. Beta-carotene. You see what I did there? So with beta-carotene, it has excellent antioxidant properties. We talked about antioxidants when we talked about vitamin C and the pineapple enzyme exfoliant, but This one is awesome for protecting you from free radical damage, which can break down elastin, cause sunspots, and other environmental factors just from sun, free radical damage, yada yada yada, etc. What's also about this is that this has Papain enzyme in it, and what did I just tell? What did I just tell you? I love enzymes, my heart. Oh wait, hold on. Boys in motion, we give you our devotion, boys. Hold on. We give you our devotion. Seriously though, this has my heart. Like the boys in motion, like the boys in motion. This has my heart. So I love this because papain extract is derived from papayas. Excellent for brightening and evening out the skin tone. I love enzymes. We have a papaya based enzyme in our back bar as well through Skinscript that we use on our services. So if there's any time that I can kind of continue out some form or derivative from the service that we did in the chair to you taking it home in your bathroom to continue using this extract that I know is going to be excellent for your dark marks, this is the one. She's the one, okay? Not the two, but the one. This product also has some excellent anti-inflammatory properties to help keep your barrier intact, which is awesome. It also has photo repair properties, aka sun damage properties to help, which also are great to help protect from sun damage. So this is an amazing one. This is one that I actually tell people to use during the day. One of the very few actives that I like to let people use through the day. Most of the time I tell people to use their actives in the evening. This is a really good one. I also genuinely like the niacinamide for the daytime as well. Both of these are two really good ones that are great for daytime use. Just make sure you use your sunscreen because that's very important. All the links will be provided below for all of these products if you're extremely interested in purchasing them and bringing them to your home. These are things that I have definitely been using for a while. I have been on a hiatus because of us moving the spa, and I finally am getting like in the groove of being in the spa and delegating, and there's been so much stuff that's happened. You guys have no idea. One day I'm gonna like talk to you guys about spa drama. But with that being said, I love these products. I love you guys. I am here to stay. I have an editor to help me out now, so I won't be going on hiatuses anymore. I just did not have the time to edit, and I was recording, but I was rushing so much to record, I didn't like the footage. So we're here now, right? Great, wonderful, and I am so excited to continue to give you these new videos, give you a little bit of insight in the background of my life, because I mean, this is what it is. Aside from that, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so people who have similar interests to you can find this video, and it helps with the algorithm. With that being said, I look forward to seeing you guys again sooner than later this time, for real, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.